Uh, oh, Nelly. She look like she gonna be ready for Atlanta.
Oh, you can ready to go. Big picture done now.
All right.
I didn't want to, I don't like painting in the rain.
Right.
That moisture fuck you up, man. But you see the water now, I'm about to do it right now.
All right.
So if it's bumpy out in the morning, you out of here.
All right. I bring you same shit. When you want me to drop the other one off the insurance one? All right. All right. Good looking. I got you. I got you for the extra work. I'll bring some for the extra work you did. All right. Have a good one, bro. Yeah. I go to the tomorrow. We be done tomorrow. Go to the car wash. Goddamn it. You hear me? Ready to put these highway miles on that bitch. I heard it from y'all. My my bumper had a motherfucking dent in the front. My bumper had a dent in the back. Uh-huh. The bullet holes was in my car. I had to get all that shit up out of there. Yeah, I'm staying black. I'm staying black. Yeah. Night Rider. I can't switch the color and I just put black rims on that motherfucker. Dropped about 6,000 in that bitch in the last month. That's getting the engine all the way right. You hear me? The only light on in that bitch is the tire pressure because I got them rims on it. So my tire pressure ain't reading. And I'm finna go buy another rim. I'm going to buy another rim like mine just in case something happen when I'm on my way there. I got a spare and I ain't got to be looking silly. So I'm gonna have a fifth. You hear me? No, that bitch, the darkest tint you can get. I got illegal tint on that bitch. Oh, that bitch go look good. My shit, then Cuddy shit and Scalp shit, we all got all black cars. We all sitting on some goddamn it. At night, that bitch look like Batman in it. Who the girl on the side? On the side what? See a girl at? Yeah, 5% me. It's about the bag, y'all. It's about the bag. We don't gotta be worried about our kids, y'all. We need to worry about the bag, y'all. You can't get this from the bag lady either. She ain't got that edition. Why the fuck is it so hot? Oh, I'll forget about that. We're scalping them trying to find somewhere to park. Yeah, that's that VIP. Y'all want to stop by Big Books real quick? See some exotic shit? Take y'all through. Says don't nobody fuck with me and my family. Let's ride past Big Books real quick. I will be, listen, y'all, before my birthday, I will be goddamn. I ain't gonna, let me see. I don't know how long this. This year I will be goddamn pushing somebody semi from state to state. I'm finna get into this trucking shit. So my lives I'm gonna be getting paid double. Cause I be on live and on the road, lighting motherfuckers up. You hear me? And helping out my people. I'm finna go to truck driver school. That should be start. I'll be in school by next month. If not this month, by next month I'll be in truck driving school. Getting them motherfucking big Benjis. Huh? Why, Pastor? Because my kids getting older and they require more financial support. And I don't want to put a strain on me still liking all the shit I like. I don't want to have to sacrifice everything I like to make sure they got what they want. So I'm gonna make sure I don't have to sacrifice shit, and that we all go have everything we want. That's why. Good question. That was a good question. Hell yeah. My dude don't even own a truck. He said he make 20,000 a month. He be going long distance. He said he make between 5 and 8,000 every single week, and that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Let me show you what money look like when you done selling dope. This he sent me the article when he went to jail, second richest man in Ohio when they caught him. Fed case he ever had a long run. When my uncle went to jail, he was 24 years old, right? At 24, they said he was the second richest man in the state of Ohio. At 24, he got 10 years in the feds. He did 8 years and some change, and came home, bought this big ass building that I'm finna minus all the properties he had, and now he don't do shit. You hear me? He sell cars. He got a barber shop. He got a beauty salon. He got a daycare. It's all in one building. Tow trucks. I might have to interview him one day. He got content and motivation. As you can see, there go one of his tow trucks right there. That's the flatbed. All the shit he bought from an auction. He got his his plow trucks. Whatever. It's a big ass building here. Go another one of the tow trucks right there. That's the car he probably driving today. That would be a Porsche Panorama. However the fuck you say it. Cheap ass mobile home back there. You can see across the street, we got the car lot over there. A whole bunch of goddamn come getters. We go to Porsche. This is what he driving today when it's parked right here. They go to golf carts. He got 3 golf carts because he be going downtown when they have festivals, charging people $10 for a ride. It might not be here. Don't look like it. Oh, door open. The door's open. As I was telling y'all, a lot of golf carts because he do his thing downtown. Some shit he just bought from the auction. Mercedes truck, I guess. You got Batman right there. That's Batman, the all black thing. Call him Batman. Trunk open. That would be the Bentley. That would be the Bentley right there with the trunk open. What up? Where Unc at? He left or he here somewhere walking around? Oh, I don't know what year it is. It's 2 of them though. It's another one somewhere. That ain't no 2007. That motherfucker right there. That motherfucker right there. Got the boat. Got the motorcycle in the cut. Got the old school. Got the old school Rivy. This what he had since he sold dope. He won't sell it. He don't drive it, nothing. We got the old school Rivy We got the chromed out engine. You hear me? Got toys in this bitch. He won't sell this to save his life. He said the motherfucker will be worth $1 million one day. This what an engine look like. Let me show you. That's what an engine look like. Big stupid gas guzzling motherfucker. You hear me? That's a gas guzzler. And I had this motherfucker since goddamn, like I promise you, like 1990 or some shit like that. Mm-hmm. Power hole. Cleaned in a motherfucker. This car like a 70 something, if I ain't mistaken. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. Dope dealer goes. Yeah, this big ass garage. Honestly, I'm gonna take y'all to the beauty salon. Walk you through the beauty salon. Set my cup down because shit ain't lit like it's supposed to be. Whole bunch of cars over there so you can see. Nice car lot. BMWs and Audis and Challengers and all that type of shit over there. You hear me? Big ass truck in the back. Got some nice shit over there. Oh, fuck it up. Years ago. Hey, how you doing? Hmm. I be on. How you doing? I know I gotta get back on there. I be on the other apps now. Right, 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 right. Mhm. They know about the P. It's in your black truck. Tore my Achilles. Back of it. Yeah, I'm almost back. Y'all have a good one. All right. They always flirt with the pastor in there. Big ass building, huh, y'all? See the daycare sign right there? That's where the daycare at. On the backside. I think Unc paid like 500,000 for this building when he got it. And he bought the houses behind it and tore them down so he can have land. He said he gonna turn that to another parking lot. I asked him, I said, Unc, is you a millionaire? Nice motherfucker. Come on, get it. It's for sale for sure. I said, Unc, you a millionaire? He said, come on, keepers, man. Man, I've been a millionaire since the 80s, man. And I was a millionaire in the 80s, man. True story. He said, my uncle used to not do shit, right? My auntie, that's next to my granny, used to play cards all the time. And she used to play cards with this old ass white man. He was from Florida. And a drought came through this here. And he asked my auntie, do she know anybody that could get rid of some stuff? So she went and asked my uncle, did he want to get in the game? And my uncle was like, nah, he don't want like he ain't want to go through the steps of like working your way up to like the big money. And then at the time, it was the prices was ridiculous because nobody had. So the white dude said my uncle can have whatever he want, right? So my uncle bid on it and went to see him, right? My uncle said when I seen the dude, he was so dirty and he ain't had no jewelry on. He didn't look like nothing. Said the white man took him to a house. Look at my uncle right here. Big boo. You got going on, man? Huh? Looking like I'm supposed to be looking, man. You got going on. The golf carts, 50 an hour ain't nothing, Unc. You could get way more. Man, I'll rent one out for 50 an hour and put a sign on the back and give out rides, man. $10, man. Get you there. That ain't enough. They go get it. They going for the dollar, man. You can easily get 100, man. Oh, you said an hour? Oh yeah. Yeah, that ain't bad. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. 50 an hour. Right. Can you hear me now? Can y'all hear me again? Sorry, y'all won't. Need a battery? I'm out of here. I'm finna let Unc do his thing. Go get me something to eat. What? You don't want Unc? Unc so 100, he gonna tell you. Unc he got a girl. And if you ain't trying to respect his girl, leave him alone. He real cheap. He ain't gonna go with you. He ain't going with you. His girl know that. She cool. Unc house bigger than goddamn NFL player shit. He out there take an hour to get to Unc house. Fuck take an hour to get out there. His dumbass house. Cup in my hand. What? Everybody be saying that. We resemble each other. We don't look alike, but we do have a resemblance. Everybody say that. Let me see. Unc is he probably like 52, 52, between 52 and 54. He the youngest. No, he the second youngest. He the second youngest out of my granny kids. My mom was born in 61, which will make her 61 this year. Yeah, so he around 55. Yeah, that's my mama brother. Good dude. October 1st, 1961. Listen, what's good Mother's Day press gifts though? Cause perfume is just like not cutting it no more. I'm tired of buying perfume every year. Yeah, man, my bought this for my boy, man. This LeBron. Yeah, he run. He ain't. What do you go for? Like oh 04,
Oh, for what miles? 50,
120.
120?
Mm-hmm. You know what you talking about. That's,
35 to 45.
he wanted 45. He gave him 4.
Dude got that, just opened that restaurant. Keep, man. Keep. You know it? Yeah, this is it. Over there on Detroit and Buckingham. We just opened it right at the curb right there.
I ain't know nothing about
Get
it.
about your age. I think that might, want to come up here and look at that house. Get ask you about that.
Is that what that is way in the back?
Yeah, big ass thing, man.
Gas guzzler.
Huh?
Gas guzzler.
Gas guzzler, yeah. Yeah. I paid 17 for it. Give me 19. I'm gonna get off that boy. Shit, I think I paid too much. But that's the SUV with the pickup in the back. Ain't none of them.
Where you sold the truck? The Dragon?
Hell no, Dragon right next to him.
Oh.
No, Dragon ain't going nowhere. But he made the Dragon look like a kid, man. That boy back up that boy. Towering over the
Can't
Dragon,
even
man.
tell that's the Dragon over there.
I know. I'm like looking over there like, damn, man. I pulled up next to that big boy. I said, damn, he overtowering me, man. I had to put my Dragon back in for a minute. That boy big though, man. That's a big boy. He wide. He got the sunroof.
Why you got the Dragon over there and you ain't selling it?
No, I just got they in the garage working. So
Oh.
I just advertise, let people talk a little bit about it. Get him out the way. Cause I put him over here. Somebody might open their car. So I put him over there out the way.
The,
I'll
the
mix it up.
the price went down on the no, hold
I
on
say Dragon. I'm about to, I ain't selling that boy.
Batman
Batman. No, Batman. He
50.
turned down 52 white 2 years ago. He already told me. Like, shit. And I put tip on him. I want that for myself. I don't care. Yeah, just whenever you want to sell it, let me know. And I told him 50. Yeah, he's dealer. So I know I got an out. If I ever want to sell it, I can just take it up there to him. I don't really question it.
Right.
200,000.
You got your drivers, or you go get them tomorrow. You pick them up tomorrow. You buy them today and pick them up tomorrow, or you.
Yeah. Yeah, boy, I take my if I'm pressed, I take that with me. Go down there and bring two back. One up and one back. We pulled that boy out of Detroit. Dude put 5,000 down on it and took it to a shop. And they told me it was there. I would have got that boy.
What year is that?
That's a 2013 nice car, man. That's just what he owns, right? Don't try to push it on him out, man.
How much you was selling it for? 10.
I was selling it for 10. I got 55 out of it. Now if I run it through, I only got 85 in it. So I'll make a profit
How
on
many miles?
126. Double hole.
Yeah.
They can't drive with me. All they can do is start them up. So I'm take my chances with them first.
All right.
I get these cars up here. Roll out.
If you need me tomorrow, let me know. I'll drive them back for you. All right, what I gotta do to hit that meal ticket? I'd have hit that meal ticket too if they get. I'm telling you, I don't know if I'd have been able to enjoy it, but if I'd have had me about a 6 month run with what I was doing, man, that million would have been in the bank. That bitch would have been in the bank already. I had an opportunity to fuck with before. When he had first came home, he was telling me I was rolling when he first came home. He was like, if you been to Detroit? I'm like, nah. Like I go up there to party, that's it. Man, if you're willing to sit down there, man, I might have an opportunity for you. But I was rolling so heavy in the city to me, not knowing what really was going on. He just wanted me to sit in the spot and just goddamn pass shit out. I wasn't gonna be like selling nothing. I just was gonna be passing shit out to people that was already down there. Basically working out a little hub he had. But I turned that shit down. It was, I don't know. Can't say it was smart or dumb, because ain't no telling what it would happen if I did do the shit. Herschel Spot gift card, Pandora break. We done did that. Pandora bracelets and necklaces. We done did that. It's, what story did it was incomplete? Oh, about the white man? Oh, yeah. So dude took my uncle went and seen him. I could have let him tell the story. Went and seen him, and the white dude had took him to the house, right? Uncle said when he opened up the closet was full of bricks, just kilos. Oh damn! I just ran that light. He said the closet was full of bricks, and he told my uncle, "Get whatever you can handle." So uncle like, uh, what's the ticket on them, right? He said at the time they was going for like 22, 24,000 on the streets, and dude told him 10,000 a piece. Uncle's like, I'm just gonna take like two or three of them, right? He said dude gave him three of them, and he said when I come back, I'm gonna have the money to buy everything I want. So he went and got him. Nobody believed he had him because he wasn't into the game. So he used the two or three as advertisement. You know, said that I went to the biggest motherfuckers whose name was ringing. You hear me, and act like I only had a half. He said, so I turned to three of them. I sold to six different people a half a brick at a time. And he said, knowing that I'm getting them for 10, it's a drought. I sold them for 25. He like, so after he sold them, he went and borrowed money from everybody. He was telling everybody, if you want them, I'll go get them. Give me the money. He said, so everybody gave him the money. He took his profit home when they got everything they needed. He said he just was selling dope like like one time a day, basically. He'd tell them on such and such day, dude will be back. And he said every time them niggas ran out, they'd bring him all the money for everything they wanted. And that's how he was getting rich without never going to sleep with nothing. You only could buy the dope from him prepaid. And once he got to moving that shit, he started he started having other people do it where he ain't had to never touch the shit ever again. He ain't touch it. He'd have somebody else pick it up. My auntie used to be the one they'd get the money to. They'd drop the money off to my auntie. My auntie used to make so much money because motherfuckers be miscounting. Motherfucker done gave her extra 5 and 10,000. He let my auntie keep all the extra money. She used to be telling us how motherfuckers was drunk coming over there dropping it off. Garbage bags. She used to have garbage bags full of money. You know, Uncle had some dope at a house, right? He was like, I don't never touch the dope keepers. Never. I had some dope at the house, and my man that's supposed to do the shit was supposed to have been back in town, and he wasn't. And I'd already made a motherfucker wait 3 days. So I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna go ahead and just go on and take it to him. He said the very first time, he said, as soon as he picked the shit up, the motherfucker surrounded the vehicle. The feds surrounded him. Got caught with that. He got caught with one brick. But he had conspiracy charge and all the other shit. His best thing about it, he ain't had no co-defendants. And he's never been in trouble, so he got 10 years. First time ever touching the shit. 10 ball. When I was fucking with the one dudes that y'all know about, and they couldn't find nothing, I reached out to him. He like, I don't fuck around, but I know where you could get them. I know where they going for like 40. No, they could come up with like 40, and at this time I was paying 42. So I had reached out to them other motherfuckers and told them, shit, that we can get them a little cheaper. But you know, if I'm getting them for 42, you know, they was getting them way cheaper than that. They was putting their tax on it, and that's why they didn't bite on it, because 40 was high to them. And I was fucking up their profit, but I thought that's how the game went. When the plug don't got it, you could find that they going just to keep the ball rolling, but the game was taught different down south, I guess. That was a great experience. Ain't no telling where a nigga be right now. And I know I got sentenced on July 28th last year, and I was goddamn signed a plea deal for 2 years, but you gotta do it. They give you 2 to 3. Whatever your sentence is in Ohio, it's half of it on top. So if you get sentenced to 5 years, you got they gonna say you got 5 to 7.5. You got 10 years, it's gonna say 10 to 15. In 6 years, it's gonna say 6 to 9. So I got 6 years because the 9 is they start putting that tail on it because if you getting in trouble in jail, then they can stretch your sentence out long as they want to, up to 3 more years. So that's what they did to try to stop motherfuckers from getting in trouble in jail and not giving a fuck. I got 6 years flat to do whatever the fuck I want to do. So now it's based on your behavior in jail, your tickets, and all the shit you get from being in jail. So that's why I signed a plea for 2 years, but when you get sentenced, it's 2 to 3 years because you put half of the two, which is one. So I got 2 to 3 years. But right now, I've been in jail, what? It's April. 9 months. That'd be, you hear me? 9 months, still got another year and some change left. That shit would have been slow as hell. I'd be looking back like, damn, and motherfucker, I've been, everything could be gone by now. That time going slow as fuck when I think about where I'd be at doing this shit. They chewing me out on K9 panel. K9 do a panel about me every day. And the fact that women get on there and try to talk about me with a man that they know loves dick, it just don't enthuse me. It don't enthuse me that a gay man can hold a panel with all these women and talk about somebody. I just don't understand it. Then he put my dick in Jazz Lynn, Fat Wig, and everybody else on there that done converse with me. And I ain't never fucked with it all, period. I ain't never ever talked to Fat Wig outside of goddamn being on live. Not an inbox, not nothing. Never. I ain't never did nothing with Jazz Lynn, a picture, no shit ever. Just cool with. I can't even be cool with females. Ooh, K9, he pick and choose what days he want to be cool. It depends, but that get him over 1,000 views. He hit 1 million tier last month. I just want the nigga to tell me thank you. Excuse me. Huh? Yeah, you wanna fuck them. That's a good number for a nigga that got kicked out and ain't had shit. But guess what, y'all? Guess who ain't being mentioned now? They said I was fucking Lena because I was in her live. We only got 600 people in there. You want to put mine in the comment section? You gonna tell me yours? I would love for somebody to goddamn put their hands on motherfucking Royce. I would love for somebody to put their hands on her little Empress looking ass. She looked like Empress in '86. You go look just like Empress when you get older. And Empress look horrible. She be trying to hide her little goddamn, but she want to embrace that beautiful big girl status to save her life. That's why she ugly. She will not embrace all that goddamn weight she done gained, all that crying she did when Brandon shitted on her, and how she was leaving the app, and she sit right over there with the nigga. She cried about Brandon playing her crazy and treating her like a piece of shit. Cried. Said she was leaving the app. Imp pretty where? That bitch ain't pretty at all. Your daughter sell wigs and your wig always fucked up. Royce can't get nothing but a goddamn ponytail at the top and a shag in the back every time her hair get done. Fat bitch. Listen, you a fat bitch. If you are big boned and you don't embrace your weight, then you a fat bitch. It's fat bitches and it's BBWs or whatever your race is. Like you don't like big girls? Yeah, I don't like fat bitches. That's bitches that think that they're not big girls and try to act like they thick. No, sister, you ugly bitch because you don't accept who you are. Hmm. Yeah, that's why I be saying that girls like you don't like big girls. You be talking. No, I don't like fat bitches. You know, I always tell y'all the big girls is got God get them the most beautiful. If you find the best looking in shape woman and get the best looking BBW, she go shit on the in shape woman. Big girls be beautiful on God, and a lot of them know they look good. That's why they don't. They only be doing from the neck up all the time. All you see is the neck up. You be like, damn, she bad. She won't embrace her thickness. On God. Yeah, for the most part, big girls do. They be nice, you feel me? Warming, respectful. But them fat bitches, they be a piece of shit. Motherfucker, I'll shit on you when I'm thick and they'll stand up. Stomach be way out here, ass be flat. They be swearing they the coldest. Bitch, if you don't sit your fat ass down somewhere, but you take that same body build with a great personality, a nice, and they be having the best smiles in the world too. God take his time with their teeth too. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. He be fucking the fat niggas up though. They teeth be fucked up and everything. I don't know why God be doing the niggas like that. Oh God, he be fucking they teeth straight up. Man, them fat niggas teeth be fucked up all the time. They like, God damn, God, damn, what the fuck? You took so much time with the women that you ain't give a fuck about us. Brandon don't like nobody in real life. He won't. After he get his virtual nut, he don't give a fuck about y'all. He cut your ass straight off. He just trying to get as many bodies as he can because he never got no pussy as a child. Growing up, he was a lame. He hung with niggas that they knew was really about that shit, and they overshadowed him. They could tell, like, don't bring him. Got my nigga B with, don't bring him. He like a lame. You know them niggas that be in the streets always have a lame nigga hanging with them, a nigga that'll catch the sales for him, a nigga that'll go to the store, a nigga that'll drive out of town for him. And A nigga that'll go, you hear me? You can send them niggas to go pick up dogs and everything. When he went with Empress, he was going with Ebony at the same time, and Cherry, and Poison, and Mina, and Caramel Complex. He was going with all of them, and he just let them eliminate themselves. Pastor Parker Fly to report. He was going with Ebony at the same. Mina, I don't know. I'm gonna tell you what. Mina has potential. No, she don't. Mina she got a nice face with bad features. Like her head too big. Like she'd be cute, but her head big as fuck. Then how she carry herself make you like take some more points away because she carry herself like a little thought bitch. She always want to listen to that old underground rap music and dance and all that weird shit and act like she know that she all that and she really ain't. She got a head, no shit, no disrespect to y'all nationality. She got a head like she Chinese. Bitch, you old goddamn shrimp fried rice head ass bitch. You sit your soy sauce head ass down somewhere, bitch. Her head big as fuck. It don't match her body. And she always put on that waist trainer. Yeah, man. She ain't did nothing to me. This big ass restaurant right here. That bitch big. Corned beef, white bread, not toasted. Hot as you can get it. You get some ruffles and the Pepsi. Okay, Fifi. Somebody left their phone.
Oh, I didn't know. It's finished, yeah? No good, yep. Can be back. I don't know. Where's the phone, yeah? Can we call that?
My granny used to always come get these corned beef sandwiches, right? And she'd eat the pickles first. All right, how you doing? Oh, oh, tell me now, 'cause I'm finna get up out of here. Never had corned beef sandwich. Damn. All right, brother. Thanks. And let me lick you up and down. Jeez, what's on it? My mouth. All right, did I forget to do anything yet? Show you how to eat this shit. First of all, you want to open this up. And you want to pour it in there to make it a combo. Hey, in jail, they used to take regular chips and cook them bitches in the microwave. Swear to God. I can't remember what they use besides butter. Butter and something and make potatoes like it'd be like potatoes, like some mashed potatoes. See that motherfucker falling out of there. Look at that motherfucker right there. Uh-huh. I don't, I don't watch basketball. The women love me because I don't watch sports. They get to watch TV downstairs on the good TV all the time. I don't watch nothing but First 48. Mm. Yeah. When football come on, I watch the Cowboys. If you see me watching any sports, it's the last quarter in the game real close, and I just want to see the finish of it. I don't watch sports at all. I used to watch baseball, all that shit. Fuck all that shit. You like? I watch all the boxing. Hell yeah. I fucks with that boxing heavy. There's all types of phone calls.